How to pay OVO Energy Bill. First of all, make sure you're signed in to your OVO Energy account. So log in, sign in with your details. Then on the home page here, you want to click on Make Payment. That should be one of the first things you see on the home page on your desktop or your phone. Then you should see the amount that you will need to pay for your bill. Go ahead and type that in, then click Pay with Bank Transfer. There you should be sent to this little page here where it has American Express. Then you can select whether your bank is. These are the only options here, so you have to use one of them if you want to use this form of bank transfer. For me, I'm going to use Nationwide, but for you, it will look slightly different, potentially, depending on what bank you have. Then you'll want to go ahead and log in on whatever bank app you're using. Then you want to click on the account, proceed with it, and then there it should see the authentication is successful with your bank. And then eventually, once you go through there, it should say that you successfully paid it, payment pending, click on done, and then it should go back to the OVO Energy page where it should say the payment was successful. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.